It is 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and I just got into my car. Here, guess where I'm heading? To the gym. I haven't been to the gym for months, almost 4 months. And this is all because of an injured foot. So I'm slowly getting back to, just getting back into my workout routine. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys. Let's go to the gym. Since I haven't been to the gym for so long, I started out very slow, doing my cardio, and now I'm working on my legs, doing some outer thigh extensions. My morning workout was great. I took a shower, got dressed, and now I'm making breakfast. Blueberry waffles. Usually when I have my blueberry waffles, I love to put a little drizzle of pancake syrup. When I am done eating, I will be heading through the door to run some errands. Hey guys, let's do some shopping. I ran out of eggs. Let's see if I find some organic brown eggs. I found some chicken parts that is already cut up. Great for dinner. I have cashed out and now it's time to head home. It is now 6:30 p.m. I just got home, took a shower, got dressed in my PJs, and now I'm folding some washed clothes before I head to bed. So my day's work is done. Before I go to bed, I folded some clothes because I had some clothes hanging around. And then I'm making myself a nice hot cup of peppermint tea. This soothes me and it allows me to have a restless night. So let's pour some hot water in, guys. And with this type of tea, I add some agave. And that's it for me, guys. I have my cup of tea and I'm off to bed. I hope you guys like this video. Like it up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. It's hot, guys. See you soon. Good night.